Okay, here we go. This is the rear view mirror carbon fiber installation video for the Model 3 and the Model Y. We're going to show you how to install it right now. All right, so what you want to do is get in the vehicle, get a plastic tool, a credit card, something thin, and you want to create a little gap here. You just place the plastic edge, nothing metal of course, up inside, and then we're going to spread it around. Now this is a plastic housing which is just held in with small clips that push upward towards the windshield. And once you get it in there, you'll see how easily you can just tug down on it. Now we're using a set of different plastic tools. But anything will work as long as you're not using anything sharp. And then just pull down on it and you'll see how easily it separates and unsnaps piece by piece here. There we go. Okay, and now the housing is hanging down. There's a little plastic piece to stop it from falling so it's not dangerous. And then we're gonna get to the actual fitting area where the mirror has to come down. Now in order to put this on, we have to remove the mirror from the arm. Okay, again, so the beautiful dry molded carbon fiber mirror cover can only go on when we remove the mirror from the arm. So in order to remove it from the arm, we're going to show you how to twist it and how to disconnect it from the housing by the camera assembly. So we recommend you put a towel over here and we're going to just twist it counterclockwise. All the way up like that, parallel to the window. And then we're going to turn it counterclockwise and the whole piece just loosens up and comes off. So I hope we captured that for you, but you can see what's holding it on are these 3 pins and they have to fit around this triangle there. Okay, so now let's install it. We're gonna get some Windex. Okay, so remove all of the double-sided tape red liner from inside. So take all the tape liner off, and then we're gonna put it right over the rearview mirror and then reinstall everything. Should take about 5 or 10 minutes, but again, make sure you turn it counterclockwise up here when you're twisting it to get it to pop loose from that spring-loaded mount. Liner sometimes is so strong, you gotta make sure it's pressed down really good, of course, before you can even get the red liner off the double-sided tape. All right, so now let's take a look at the mirror, and we got to get it around the housing. So this hole obviously is large enough. Sorry about that. Now you want to make sure the double-sided tape's going to grab and push it right over the top. Now, before we actually adhere it, we're going to make sure it sits in there perfectly square and push it down hard. Okay, after we remove the tape, we're going to put the mirror back through the hole. Here you go. And then we're just simply going to press it together. And the double-sided tape's going to bond and stick on really good. So again, get it flat and flush. Squeeze it. Don't crack it. Don't push too hard. And just apply a little bit of pressure to activate that tape. And make sure it's nice and flat and flush. And it looks great. Now to put it back on, we're going to do the same thing. Okay, and again, make sure you got it nice and flat and flush all the way around. Sometimes you got to add a little pressure, but it'll snap right on. And rest assured that tape's going to hold. Now, this spring-loaded clip is going to mount in that hole. And we're going to line it up like this and assume it in the position, and we're going to turn it back clockwise. We went counterclockwise to remove it. So the first thing to do is reconnect the power wire. And now I'm going to put it right up in there. So start with it, turn to the left, the same way it came out. And then it's very hard to show what's going on inside. You have to push upward and turn at the same time. And it just slides right back in. So it's definitely a lot easier to put in. And hopefully that makes sense. There's a number of videos out there, and we think this one's really good. And now we're going to put the housing back on. take your time. Take your time. Put the little arrow through there. That's a catch in case it falls for some reason, which it can't. And then you'll see here, just line it all up and snap it back in. Sorry, our flash is too hot. But it definitely grabs one way. It goes back together one way. I'll try to get this good angle here. All the wires and plastic glides are in place. Just snaps right in. Super tight, just like brand new. No issues. Enjoy the beautiful overlay. It looks great, fits great. And thanks again for watching. It's RPM.